Okay, guys, welcome back to my Charlotte tutorial. Today I went to Five Below and I got the new it's 2024, the Steer Clear, which is part of the Stripes Earned, which is a really cool color. Steer Clear, guys, improves crushable car, which we do not care about. Always monster trucks. Here's the back. There's Poison Pinto, will eat it all. Steer Clear, Hot Wheels 5 alarm. This one's funny, the trike. I'm gonna get that one. I saw it, I should have got today. I'll get it next time. Michelangelo Badzilla looks pretty cool, and Poppy from Trolls. Steer Clear has name, Steer Clear truck type creature. Strength, twin horns, crash attack, steer stampede. Back of the box. Further ado, open it. Oh, here it is. So this is a nice one. Look at that. I love the brown. It's really cool. The see-through windows, orange tires, yellow rims, and bead locks. Dirt color roll cage. Chrome bottom. I'm sorry, guys. There's a giraffe type and a snake type skin. Yellow horns, soft rubber. Back of the truck, which is cool. That's all I got today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share as more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.